Outdoor cooking brings a unique charm to family gatherings and festive celebrations. This Bayou Classic 11-18-32 quart stainless turkey fryer is designed to enhance your outdoor cooking experience, whether you're frying a whole turkey, boiling seafood, or preparing a home brew. With its robust construction, versatile features, and generous capacity, this fryer is a must-have for adventurous backyard chefs. Let's dive into a detailed review of this impressive kitchen tool. Imagine preparing a succulent, crispy-skinned turkey in just 45 minutes, or hosting a low-country boil feast with ease. The Bayou Classic 32-quart stainless turkey fryer makes these culinary dreams a reality. Versatility, durability, and thoughtful design cater to all your outdoor cooking needs. Read on to find out how this fryer can transform your cooking game and make you the star of your next gathering. The Bayou Classic 11-18 turkey fryer is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. This material is not only resistant to rust and corrosion, also easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. The heavy welded loop handles provide a secure grip, allowing for easy transfer and handling, even when the pot is full. The fryer measures 12 inches in diameter and 16.25 inches in height, offering ample space to accommodate a whole 18-pound turkey. The generous 32-quart capacity makes it perfect for large-scale cooking, whether you're preparing a feast for your family or hosting a neighborhood gathering. One of the standout features of the Bayou Classic 32-quart fryer is its versatility. It's not just a turkey fryer, it's a multi-purpose stock pot that can be used for boiling, steaming, and even homebrewing. Perforated poultry rack and lift hook make it easy to fry large birds, while the included perforated basket is perfect for boiling seafood or steaming vegetables. Fryer also comes with a 12-inch stainless thermometer, allowing you to monitor the cooking temperature accurately. This ensures that your food is cooked to perfection every time, whether you're frying, boiling, or steaming. Safety is a top priority when it comes to outdoor cooking, and the Bayou Classic 11-18 does not disappoint. The vented lid helps to prevent vapor lock when boiling, ensuring a steady flow of steam and reducing the risk of accident. The side indentation elevates the basket for steaming, keeping your food above the boiling water and ensuring even cooking. The fryer also includes a 3-piece detachable skewer set, allowing you to fry up to 3 chickens at once. The 1/0 seasoning injector lets you infuse your poultry with your favorite marinades, ensuring flavorful and juicy results. Despite its large size and robust construction, the Bayou Classic 32-quart fryer is surprisingly easy to use. The heavy welded loop handles provide a secure grip, making it easy to transfer the pot even when it's full. Perforated basket and poultry rack are designed for easy removal, allowing you to drain excess oil or water without making a mess. Cleaning the fryer is also straightforward. Thanks to its stainless steel construction, the smooth surface can be wiped down easily, and the removable components can be washed separately. This makes post-cooking cleanup a breeze, so you can spend more time enjoying your delicious creations and less time scrubbing pots and pans. Pros and cons. Pros: high-quality stainless steel construction, versatile design for frying, boiling, steaming, and home brewing. Generous 32-quart capacity, includes perforated poultry rack, basket, thermometer, and skewer set, vented lid for safe and efficient cooking, heavy welded loop handles for easy handling, easy to clean and maintain. Cons: large size may be cumbersome for some users, requires a significant amount of oil for frying. Final verdict: the ultimate outdoor cooking tool. The Bayou Classic 11-18 32-quart stainless turkey fryer is a versatile and durable tool that elevates your outdoor cooking experience. Its high-quality construction, generous capacity, and thoughtful design make it a valuable addition to any backyard chef's arsenal. Whether you're frying a turkey, boiling seafood, or preparing a home brew, this fryer delivers excellent results every time. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.